Dear friends, today I will continue with another chapter of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. The chapter is chapter 11 and this is about restoration of lapsed patents. Okay, this chapter, that is chapter 11, consists of section 60, 61 and 62. Okay, and we will start with section 60. The title is Applications for Restoration of Lapsed Patents. Fine. So, I will try to explain all the subsections through my key points. Okay, friends. So, before starting subsection 1, I would like to say the very key point of this is there is a patent that is seized due to some or other reasons, and within 18 months this lapsed patent can be restored with the application of the patentee and with the will of the controller. Okay, this only. So subsection 1 is explaining this key point only, and I would tell you that please go through the subsection with observing the underlined words. Okay, read it once or twice. You can get the whole gist of this subsection through this underlined words. Fine. So let me start. Where a patent has ceased to have effect by reason of failure to pay any renewal fee within the period prescribed under section 53 or within such period as may be allowed under subsection 4 of section 142, the patentee or his legal representative, and where the patent was held by two or more persons jointly, then with the leave of the controller, one or more of them without joining the others may within 18 months from the date on which the patent ceased to have effect make an application for the restoration of the patent. Okay, and here what is section 53 is mentioned. What is section 53? Section 53 is about the term of patent and section 142 is about fees. Fine. So I think this subsection is much more clear. Now you just concentrate on the underlined words, it will be more clear. Just it is given here that a patent is seized due to the non-payment of the renewal fee, or we can refer for this section 53 and section 142, and after the request from the patentee or any joint applicants, we can say within 18 months if the controller wills or orders, restoration can be done. Fine. Okay, some more things to remember are online fee is 12,000 rupees or Indian rupees INR, and this is by the legal entities such as corporates. Okay, so we can say online fee 12,000 rupees to be paid by the legal entities or such as corporates. Fine. Okay, this subsection can be linked with rule 84, and rule 84 is about restoration of patents. So rule 84 sub rule 1 says an application for the restoration of a patent under section 60 shall be made in form 15. Fine. Next is subsection 2. Subsection 2 is actually this is omitted by Act 38 of 2002, section 30, with effective from 20th May 2003. Fine. Next is subsection 3. An application under this section shall contain a statement verified in the prescribed manner, fully setting out the circumstances which led to the failure to pay the prescribed fee, and the controller may require from the applicant such further evidence as he may think necessary. Fine. So here also you please observe the underlined words, and we can say in short that the application should contain the statement duly verified, fully setting out the circumstances which led to the failure to pay the prescribed fee. Fine. We can say that this section, that is section 60, which is about the applications for restoration of lapsed patents, is completed now. So friends, please go through my video, please share the video among your friends. Please compliment or comment in the comment section. If you have any queries, please write down there, and please subscribe my channel with pressing the bell icon. Thank you friends, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed.